Hi, I'm Jake Hicks, and my work is known for being very bold, vibrant, a lot of colored light in all of my work. We're seeing hundreds, thousands of images a day. How can I create an image that really just pops off the screen? And color is difficult to work with, but using these lights is borderline cheating in honesty. So I chose the three setups today mainly because I think they show off a lot of the different benefits that I love about Rotolights. For example, the first one that we did, which was the cinematic lighting one, all the color that we did was just with the Kelvin ranges, which is something that coming from Flash is a huge benefit for me. Being able to just quickly adjust the Kelvin like that is huge. The next setup, I wanted to sort of show off some of the flash features of these lights. Having the ability to shoot flash on the LEDs is super useful, especially if you're going to do a shot with movement in it. Like we had a lot of wind in the hair for all those shots. And being able to dial in the actual flash duration of the lights and that sort of thing, able to really capture like crisp images of moving objects. Obviously the LEDs is great, and then for the most part that's what I use, but if you really want to capture something moving, then you've got that option just to quickly switch it to flash. The final setup I did, which was obviously one of my favorites, just seeing as it's like super saturated color, using like a triadic color scheme, bold blue, orange and pink on the background. To me, I think a setup like that is super simple, 3 lights, but it just shows off not only the color, but also the ability to control the light. With flash, it's very difficult to get the light close enough sometimes to allow for that light drop off. But with these panels, you're able to get the light super close to the subject and allow for a really sharp drop off, which enables us to not only get like a blue key light, but then in that same area on the body, get a nice rich orange color on the shadows. I now shoot Rotolight for just ease of use, and ease of use translates to speed on set. It's just so simple. And the colors, just gorgeous. I mean, like you saw some of the shots there today, like the saturation of those images, like that's straight out of the camera, is incredible. The Anova PRO 3 is by far and away their best light. It's phenomenal. I think you'll be really, really impressed.